What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here at Breckenridge opening day. They opened up with the Colorado Super Chair, 5-chair, rips ride. I don't know if they have anything open on Peak 9, but anyways, they got some terrain open. We're gonna do a top to bottom run, kind of show you guys what's open at Breck, so let's get it. All right guys, opening day Breck. That snow felt incredible, other than the tiny little rock that I bumped into in the powder. You gotta risk it this early for the biscuit if you wanna get some power shots. But man, Breck killed it. Snow feels great. They do have a bunch of new COVID stuff. It's crazy out there in the maze, and I've never seen so many employees here. So just be aware of all the COVID rules when you show up on the mountain. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the resorts and COVID and everything, check out the COVID video that I made right here. If you've got questions and concerns about COVID, I also have a video on how to book your reservation. That video is going to be right there. But subscribe to the channel if you're new. My goal is to, one, help you become the best snowboarders possible, but also to keep you guys updated on what's going on with the ski and snowboard industry. Big shout out to my boy Benton for filming that top to bottom run too. They're not easy to film, and he tries extra hard, so shout out to Benton. And don't forget, Team Buckhouse, it's a new season. Don't get caught on the mountain without an Evolution sticker. They're all linked in the description. Hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of it guys. If you snag any of the merch, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow the Instagram. It's where you get the behind the scenes, you know, what resorts I'm going to and riding at, as well as just updates on like when you can book reservations, things like that. So follow the Instagram. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliff